Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to avoid class data getting shared among instances in the Python programming language. When we work in class, we have different types of methods and attributes that we can use. For example, what I've done here is I've created a class called as class A, and within that class, there is a class variable that is a simple Python list, and then I'm creating two objects X and Y from the class A, and what I'm simply doing is I'm appending certain datas into the list. So what I'm saying is first x.list.append, I'm appending a value 1, then I'm appending a value of 2 in the list Y, and so forth. And after the execution of these 4 lines of code, what we expect is the list X should have the values 1 and 3, and the list Y should have the values 2, 4. So let's print this and check the desired output. Well, as you can see, the list X is having the data as 1, 2, 3, 4, and the same goes with the list Y. This is absolutely absurd. This is not what we expected. We expected the two objects of the class to have different data. But what happens is here, the same data is getting referred to both the objects. And the issue is here, we are not creating an instance of the object variables. In fact, we are making use of the class variables. So whatever data is getting pushed inside the class remains as a class variable. So all the objects instantiating or referring from the class will have the same data. So now we need to make a slight change in our class function. So instead of creating a class variable that is a list on the line 641, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply define an init method that is an initializing method. And all you need to do is say define space the keyword init, that is dunder init, and within that you need to say the self keyword, and that's it. And within now inside the self keyword we can create a Python list again. So what I'll say is list is equal to empty list. So what is the idea of creating this? Basically what we are saying is whenever instantiating any object, we want its data variables to be unique. So every object will have its own list that will be comprising of the data respective to that object. So now that we are instantiating the object to its respective data type, we need to say self.list instead of just saying list as an argument, because we are saying that self is pointing to the current instance of the class object. In this case X, it will be like x.list is equal to an empty list. Y, it would be y.list is equal to an empty list. So it's as simple as that. Now if I run this piece of code, as you can see, the data are not combining to each other, and we can see unique data is being present inside our list objects and they are not merging together. Well, that's it from this quick video where we understood how to avoid the data getting adjoined together in a Python class object. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.